Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. How are you this morning? I hope all of you have a great day today. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Viviana Eka Yuniar. I'm from Ajibarang 3 Junior High School. On this occasion, I want to tell you about my story from Central Java with the title Timun Mas. Long time ago, there was a widow named Bob Rondo. Her husband had passed away long time ago, so that she lived there alone. She had no children, and she tried to get a child. One night, when she cried, the giant passed her house and heard her pray. The giant sighed.
I can give you a child, but shall the child give back to me when she is 17 years old?
Bob Rondo was so happy and didn't think the risk of losing child later. She agreed the offer. Then the giant gave her cucumber seeds and asked Bob Rondo to plant them around her house. Tomorrow, Bob Rondo planted the seeds just like what the giant asked. Swiftly, the seeds grew up after some days. However, the most interesting thing was a huge golden cucumber. Bob Rondo plucked the golden cucumber carefully and carried it home. With care, she sliced it and she was so surprised that a cute baby girl was inside. Then she named the baby with Timun Mas, which means golden cucumber. She loved the baby really much. Their pets and Timun Mas has grown to be beautiful and lovely little girl. She was really smart and kind as well. That's why Bob Rondo kept thinking about her promise with the giant. One night, Bob Rondo had a dream. She must meet the holy man who lived in a place called Mount Kundu. The holy man could help to save her daughter. The next morning, Bob Rondo went to Mount Kundu. She met the holy man and he gave 4 little bags to Bob Rondo.
These books are for her. Tell her to open and use it one by one.
Bob Rondo nodded her head as a sign she understood the command. Then she came to home. Each one was containing cucumber seeds, needles, salt, and shrimp paste. The holy man said that Timun Mas could use them to protect herself. At home, Bob Rondo then decided about her promise with the giant to her daughter and about the bags given by the holy man.
Don't be afraid, my daughter. Bring this bag and use it. You will be safe, my daughter.
Okay, Mom, don't worry, I will be safe. A few days later, the giant came back to Bob Rondo's house and asked the promise. Bob Rondo told her daughter to run from back door and took the bags given by the holy man with her. The giant saw Timun Mas running away. He was so angry because Bob Rondo broke the promise. The giant chased Timun Mas to catch her. He was so angry and the giant chased Timun Mas to catch her. He was getting closer and closer.
Timun Mas, where are you?
shouted the giant. Bravely, Timun Mas opened the first bag. It was the cucumber seeds. She threw the seeds, and instantly they grew into the cucumber field. The giant ate them all so that she could run further. However, it was giving the giant more strength to catch her again.
Ha ha ha! It won't beat me, little girl.
After that, Timun Mas didn't give up. She opened the second bag that contained the needles and spilled behind her. The needles magically turned into the loose bamboo trees which were turning. The giant bunnies were black and strange. Unfortunately, he made it and chased her again.
It doesn't work again, little girl.
For the last, Timun Mas opened the third bag and spilled the salt. Then made the salt touch turn into the very deep sea. The giant almost drowned there, but he swam to cross it. From a far place, Timun Mas saw it.
What else do you have, little girl?
Shouted the giant. Then Timun Mas opened the last bag and threw the shrimp pass.
Lord, please, it's my last whip. Please, help me.
It was the shrimp pass, and the mad soil became the large, swam, boiling mud.
Oh no! Help! Help me! I'm found out!
Finally, the giant was trapped, and the man drowned him. The giant was died, and everything was emptied. Timun Mas came back to home and lived happily ever after with Bob Rondo. Okay guys, from the story we can take some reasons. If you can keep your promise, don't make promise easily. Thank you for your attention guys. See you later. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.